Top 5 different types of falcons. Although all types of falcons are birds of prey, each species is quite distinct. Falcons are uniquely adapted to life as apex predators and are known for their stealthy hunting and incredible speed. We will begin our journey of discovery into the lives of falcons with some general information and follow that up with a closer look at a few falcon types. Number 5. Prairie falcon. Falco mexicanus, more commonly known as the prairie falcon, is the only large falcon type exclusively native to North America. These impressively sized birds mainly inhabit harsh, arid regions in the western United States, including southern Canada and northern Mexico. Like all types of falcons, females are bigger than males. In appearance, they are about the same size as a crow. Although prairie falcons may look big compared to many other falcon types and have a wingspan of around 40 inches, their bodies below their feathers are quite small, and their average weight is only about 1.6 pounds. In appearance, the prairie falcon is similar to peregrine falcons. They are a pale, warm gray with dark mottling and a characteristic mustache. When they are in flight, it is easy to distinguish these species apart as prairie falcons have characteristic dark wing pits that create the effect of struts along the underside of their body. Prairie falcons are adapted to live in scrubby, dry open areas. They nest on cliffs but may travel considerable distances to hunt. They feed mainly on small mammals like ground squirrels, prairie dogs, reptiles, and birds they can catch in flight. Number 4. American kestrel. The common name for the American kestrel is sparrowhawk. The scientific name is Falco sparverius. These birds of prey are common in North America, including as far as the northern parts of Canada in the summer, Central America, but also South America. Since the range of the American kestrel is so extensive, there is a regional variation in size and weight between birds. In addition, 17 subspecies are recognized, each with distinctive plumage, calls, and size. With regards to the size and weight of sparrowhawks, it is safe to say that female American kestrels are always larger than males and weigh between 3 and 5.8 ounces. In terms of plumage color, both sexes can have the same coloration, which usually includes rusty color barring over the back. Although these small falcons can hunt from the air, they typically prefer to scan the surroundings while perched on fence posts and ambush prey. Since they are small predatory birds, prey includes insects, mice, lizards, and small birds, including sparrows. Number 3. Pygmy falcon. Moving over to the African savanna, you will find the smallest member of the falcon family. Pygmy falcons are also called African pygmy falcons, and their scientific name is a tongue twister, Polyhyrax semitorquatus. The tiny gray and white pygmy falcon may be petite, but they are no less fierce than their larger relatives. Pygmy falcons live in dry bushland areas and are dependent on weaver nests to breed. Instead of putting any effort into building nests, these small falcons take over a section of a multi-chambered weaver compound and raise their young. It is a peculiar setup as pygmy falcons also prey on smaller birds, but they coexist while nesting. Pygmy falcons of both sexes weigh between 1.5 to 2.5 ounces. The only difference between the sexes is that males have more gray feathers over their backs, while females are a chestnut color. Since they live in scrubby bushland areas, the diet of pygmy falcons fits with small prey animals around them. This includes skinks, small snakes, beetles, lizards, and rodents. Occasionally, they may also snack on a weaver that they board with, but that is rare. Number 2. Gerfalcon. We have already mentioned that the gerfalcon is the largest falcon in the family. This unique bird species has been highly prized in falconry since ancient times. Although gerfalcons have been transported worldwide as sports birds, they occur naturally in the cold Arctic tundra regions. They only come south as far as the northern parts of Canada during winter. Gerfalcons have a peculiar trait when it comes to color, and birds can vary considerably in different regions. Colors can range from stunning white to dark brown or gray with black markings on the chest. These color variations are known as morphs. Female gerfalcons are considerably longer and heavier than males and can be almost 3 times larger. While the average weight of an adult male gerfalcon is less than 3 pounds, females average up to 4 pounds. This impressive falcon feeds mainly on other birds. Its preferred choice is ptarmigan, but it is opportunistic and will take anything from gulls to owls and songbirds. Gerfalcons also hunt land mammals and are able to prey on animals as large as hares. Number 1. Peregrine falcon. Peregrines are the fastest types of falcons, and of any type of bird, to be honest. These expert migrators use the technique called the stoop when they dive at their prey. Their speed can reach 240 miles per hour at this point, making them not only one of the fastest birds, but also the fastest animals on the planet. Yes, even faster than the cheetah. Females are about 30% larger than males, reaching up to 23 inches in body length and 47 inches in wingspan. Also, the females weigh up to 3.3 pounds, while the males weigh 2.2 pounds. Peregrine falcons feed almost exclusively on medium-sized birds such as pigeons, waterfowls, phasianids, songbirds, and waders. These types of falcons are distributed across the globe, from North America to Oceania. Their preferred habitats are river valleys, mountain ranges, coastlines, and increasingly cities, where these true falcons nest on tall places like buildings, towers, and bridges. These are just a few examples of the diverse falcon species found worldwide, each adapted to its specific habitat and hunting preferences.